It's a woodpecker. He's banging that thing. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful start to your morning. Yeah, it's a good looking morning. It's warmer today than it was yesterday. Sound like the birds trying to overtalk me this morning, huh? Yeah. But I'm having a wonderful morning. I just had my second cup of coffee. So I decided to come out to the garden, check everybody out, and I'm going to drop some seeds, y'all. So I wanted to just figure out what kind of seeds I wanted to put in here with these little babies. So I decided I'm going to put just a couple of lavender in here. Yeah, let's see how they go. Just a couple seeds, not a lot. I was thinking about, just another herb that would be very nice for this little container. But I don't want something that's going to get so big that it kind of overtakes the greens that's in here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to put some of these guys in here, see how they do. Yeah. But listen, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like. Yeah, that really would help me. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. So I'm just going to put some soil. I just tap some soil on top of them. This soil is nice and moist. I just given everybody some water. And everybody is happy here this morning. All right, let's go take a look at some of the plants and see what's going on with them. So this is my Jerome rose bush, and look at that, she's about to put on some flowers. And I really need to clean this bed because this is a tigridia. Yeah, that's a tigridia, and there's more coming out back there. So I need to get this done. But this is like number 3 on the list. Sorry. I have many of my hibiscus. They about to bloom. Oh yeah, they're looking really pretty. They're really looking good. They ready, y'all. They ready for the show. They're ready for the show. Every day I find myself adding more and more vegetables to this trunk room. It's simpler. It's because brassicas can grow very well close together. So planting these plants close together will not hurt them. And the great thing about the kohlrabi is their bulb grows above the ground. Not like my turnip in here, it grows below, so they probably need more space. But as of right now, I only have one turnip in here. Let's see what else I put in here today, because yeah, I probably will. This beautiful freezer have not burst yet, but she will. She will. I'm looking forward to it. Dollar Tree ladybug. Now I do have green onions growing here. There's quite a bit of them in here, but Yeah, when you use them as much as I do, you need more and more. So there's carrots and spinach. Yeah, green onion. Oh, there's a celery in here. One of those pretty, pretty pink ladies in here. Japanese pink. Really pretty. And all the seedlings are looking good. They all doing good. See, here is some down here. I'm sorry about my shadow, guys. Try to get in the way. But anyway, there's all the tomato plants. They're doing good. That's a garlic, the rutabagas, parsley. Mhm. Some more parsley over here. There's more parsley here. This is some pepper plants. This is just from seed saving. So because on this side of the garden it's very windy, yeah. So this plant I'm sharing with you all right now, this is a forget-me-nots. And I have forget-me-nots coming up all over here. Now I dropped those seeds last spring. Mhm. But it's okay. I mean, I'm not mad at them because they're coming back. I'm going to leave a few, but I'm going to take up a lot of them and put them in the super juice, I guess. But yeah, it was so windy on this side of the garden until I had to come in and do a voiceover for this part of this video. But as you can see here, this is where I have my I put the hummingbird feeders. Also, I have a tray, a stand, like where I have 3 trays for water. I set out orange peels and apples slices for not only the hummingbirds but for the butterflies. Any butterfly is welcome to enjoy it, but my focus is the monarch. But last season, I did put the hummingbird feeders up, and I put them up kind of early, as always. But the first visitors to the hummingbird feeders, I mean, and they were there in groves, were the bees. Yeah, here's a picture of it right here. So the bees like took over the hummingbird feeders. I mean, and I think last spring I had about 6 or 7 hummingbird feeders up, and they had full control of all of them for a long time. But another thing too, I noticed is that the hummingbirds came back earlier last season. Yeah. So right here, basically, I'm just pulling up a lot of grass and just getting it all prepared over here, because I do like to plant flowers over here also. I have a log right here that I'm leaning on. A couple of years ago, lightning struck the tree and broke this limb off the tree. Now I have part of that limb in the bed, in the big bed, and you will see that in another video. I'm more than sure, because I haven't cleaned that bed yet. But and this is the other part of that limb that lightning hit. So instead of my son and my son-in-law getting rid of it, I just decided to use it in the garden. Yeah. And I have all kinds of flowers. I even had a beautiful tomato plant growing in this log last spring, and it really did well. It really did well. And I think what killed it was we had a freeze. Yeah, we had a freeze. And yeah, the freeze killed it. And so, but it was doing really well. So now, as you see, I'm pulling up and getting rid of some of those forget-me-nots because it was just too many, y'all. It was just too many. So I still have a lot to do, but as you can see, every day, I'm getting a little done at a time. And I'm not waiting on the full garden to be ready. If I clean a bed, then I'll be ready to drop some seeds. Like, for instance, I'm very, very anxious, this word. I want to drop my my chickpea seeds and my corn. Yeah, and I really want to go on and drop those cucumber seeds. I really do. But I'm gonna wait till at least March 1st, somewhere around that way. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just getting it done a little at a time. But I think what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, yeah, y'all know about the big worms. Tomorrow is I'm going to drop a lot of flower seeds around the tree and in this area also, because I like to have my flowers up soon, because when the insects and the butterflies and the hummingbirds comes, I want them to have food. So I did share a video of the monarch butterflies that I did have in my garden, and one of my subscribers said they didn't want any butterflies in their garden, that the only thing they wanted was bees, right? But if he is listening to this video, I want him to know that yes, bees does help pollinate your vegetables and fruits, but also butterflies help pollinate your vegetables and fruits also. So don't leave it just up to the bumblebee or the honeybees to do all the work, because the butterflies, yeah, they do it too. They'll lay their eggs on it, but they do also help pollinate. So as you can see is right here, I've gotten all of this side clean under the station for the butterflies and the hummingbirds. And yeah. So now, guys, I took a break and I went out to the store, and I did not paying attention to the music they had loud in the store. But so I was looking at one of my subscribers. She's such a sweetheart. I do love her. So the name of her channel is Faith Squad. So the other day I was watching Faith Squad, guys, and Faith was eating some greens, y'all. She was eating some greens, and oh my God, they look so good. So she also had this meat on the side. She said they were turkey cutlets. I never heard of turkey cutlets. So listen, y'all, I got Jody on a mission. Jody on a mission to find a turkey cutlets. So I was in one store today to get myself some fruit. I wanted a mango or something like that, but I know I wanted something cold and sweet, some kind of fruit, right? But anyway, yeah, Jody's on a mission for that turkey cutlet, and so was I. Yeah. But anyway, guys, here we are at Mr. George. I'm down here by Mr. George's place. And I wanted to share this with you all. He has some local, juicy, sweet, tree-ripened pomelos. Chanel, those, it says pomelos. Pomelos. Wow. Just
pronounce it pumelo.
Pubelo?
But we say pomelo.
Pomelo. Okay. Let me see, show you some of the sizes of these things. They are huge. So this is my hand, and they are just, they look at this, the size of it, just the shape of it. It's really nice. I don't know how they taste. Do they taste like grapefruit?
But it's a little sweet.
Oh yeah. Okay. I will try one. This is one of the reasons I do not grow strawberries. Now, yes, they are Louisiana strawberries. There is a strawberry festival here in Louisiana, and I mean, I just go crazy with strawberries. I have so many strawberries, and they really are not that expensive when you go out to the festival. I get enough to last me for a while, and freeze them and make jams and jellies, and yeah. So this is the reason why I do not. And these strawberries are absolutely delicious. And that's those Louisiana strawberries. So guys, I want you all to check this out. Look at these sprouting Mirlitons. I mean, there's vines hanging everywhere. These are the Mirlitons. Look at that. Wow. Wow. They are just sprouting Mirlitons. So if you need Mirlitons in this area, Mr. George got them. Yeah. All right, everybody. I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. It was just so fun. It started off cool this morning, but yeah, as the day progressed, it was lovely. So let me share this with you before I go. Hey, now check that out. So the shades that I have on the thumbnail the other day, and these are from the Dollar Tree. My daughter purchased me a bag of them. I lose shades like crazy, so for $1, I'll take them, y'all. But anyway, guys, you all have a beautiful evening. Later, y'all.